Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to close all running programs on Windows 11. To start, use the Alt+Tab keys to see and select the app or program. Now open any of this program. Here, pulse the Alt+F4 key to close this app. Repeat the steps with all other programs. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.